In this exciting video, I'm going to introduce you to an absolutely incredible way that will make creating YouTube videos into an easy task, which means you can collect even more views on your videos. Instead of hours spent languidly pondering over script, description ideas and title analysis, we'll go to ChatGPT, our indispensable helper. He's like a real captain who easily steers your creative ship, steering it toward a flood of ideas you never knew you had. 1. Creating a title. 2. Creating script on YouTube. 3. Describing video on YouTube. 4. Creating text for YouTube preview. Look at this is all the points that we will go through today in order to easily create titles that the viewer will click on, as well as scripts, which we spent time on, but not now, and also the description, which I spent at least an hour to create, but how glad I am that now it can be fixed, including you, so watch carefully the next video to know with which query in ChatGPT it is possible to do. 1. Creating a title for a YouTube video. To do this, go to ChatGPT. In order for it to create a title for us, we need to write a prompt like this. We enter in ChatGPT such a prompt where we ask to write, after which we get this answer. 5 attention-grabbing YouTube video titles on the subject of fitness. Unlock the secret to a six-pack abs in just 5 minutes a day. The surprising truth about fat loss. How I lost 50 pounds without dieting. From couch potato to fitness guru. How I transformed my body in 90 days. The ultimate workout routine. Burn fat, build muscle, and get ripped. Fitness hacks you've never heard of. Get fit faster with these game-changing tips. If we want to change, supplement, and get other answers from ChatGPT, enter the following prompt. Give me examples of attractive titles for YouTube videos on topic that will get them people to click and watch the video. Create a management or authoring style for them. After which we get this answer. Mastering time management. Boost your productivity like a pro. Style. The expert guide. The art of effective communication. Unlocking your leadership potential. Style. Insider secrets revealed. Authoring success. Proven techniques to write captivating stories. Style. Secrets of best-selling authors. Strategic Planning 101. A step-by-step guide for business leaders. So, where are we now on our map? We see that it's time to move on to the next bay, namely the creation of a script on YouTube. Now we get to the creation of a script, which we will manually edit our video later, but for now we need to enter the following prompt in order for ChatGPT to do this. In order for it to create our header, we need to write the following prompt. Can you write an extremely appealing YouTube video script on topic? After which we get this answer. Can you write a YouTube promotional video script for text type on subject additional information? After which we get this answer. Moving on to our map, and our next stop is creating a description of the YouTube video. The description is necessary to promote our videos, SEO optimization, and viewer convenience, and in order for ChatGPT to help us, we should introduce such a prompt. Write a 100-word description of a YouTube video that encourages the audience to watch a video on topic and contains the keywords keyword 1, keyword 2, keyword 3. After which we get this answer. What are 10 popular keywords related to topic? Use them to write a description for a YouTube video that talks about topic. After which we get this answer. Go to our map and see where we are, and it's time to create text for the preview, which will help increase the clickability of our preview, and thus increase views, of course, if the video is interesting. Write 10 four-letter names that express add emotion, let's say surprise followed by benefit, what to get, based on the theme of the video. After which we get this answer.